there plant lovers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mayuri Nagar and today we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is how to decorate your space with plants, right? So if you are a seasoned plant parent or you are just starting out, adding greenery to your space is a great way to elevate your space and make a huge impact. And I think that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's dive into it. So first, let's look at some large potted plants like say big palms like arachnia palms or fiddle leaf fig or say a large rubber plant. These are great to be added to that empty corners that you want to fill up with some beautiful greenery like this. Or you can actually just keep them by a window and they will get some light and they'll also add that green energy in your home. Now, one thing which you need to understand is that because they are so large in their size, they can become the focal point of spaces where literally there's no other decor that you'd like to keep. They're also super cheap on the pocket compared to placing an actual art or an installation. And most importantly, they add a lot of drama to that space. So that's something that you really need to keep in mind. Apart from that, because these are plants, they definitely purify the air in your house. So that's an added bonus. This particular tip about styling your plants, especially for those homes that have really low space or square footage and are living in say small apartments or just a small space that you would like to decorate with plants and don't have space on the floor. So you can easily hang your pots or say macrame plant holders and put the pots of your liking and hang plants on them. This is a really great tip if you are running low on space like I shared, and also allows you to have a lot of visual interest in terms of height. Next, you can actually place a lot of these small plants into your shelves to create that visual interest and that greenery that your decor needs. Over here, I've placed them on a pile of books. Just like that, you have actually elevated your space. Little guys are perfect for adding touches of green without taking too much space. Mix and match different types and sizes for a more dynamic look. So another great tip when styling your plants is to bring a lot of these plants together and probably group them together in a corner. That will always have a larger impact. Another thing that you can do if you say trying to style a shelf or a coffee table or any kind of other space with plants is to use multiple plants with different heights, or you can even look at layering them. So this is few things that you can actually do to generate that visual interest, whether it's from the ceiling or whether it's on the table. And lastly, since plants are a great way to decorate, it's also good to have the right type of pot. So use some beautiful decorative pots. They add a lot of glam and a lot of visual interest and color to that arrangement that you're looking to create. So another place that you can really look at putting plants is a low light space or a place where you don't get a lot of natural light, right? So these are great places to decorate with plants as well. And for that, for those low light areas, you have low light plants. So one that I'm holding in my hand is the Z plant, which is again a very beautiful plant that grows in low light or sometimes even in no light areas. One such space that I can think of is the bathroom. So your bathrooms can really have these plants in there. They can provide that sense of freshness and clean up that air in your bathrooms. Now, apart from Z plants, you also have plants like Sansevieria, which is commonly known as snake plant, and you have pothos, one of the varieties of which is called as money plant that we commonly find in different places. So you can definitely use some variegated varieties of pothos. Keep these names noted down so that next time when you're there in the nursery, you can pick them up and bring them home. So well, there you go. Styling your space with plants is such a good way to bring life, color and greenery and also a lot of freshness into your space and into your life. Whether you go really big with those statement plants that we spoke about or smaller plants to style those shelves, there's never a wrong way to add greenery to your space. So definitely do try that and let us know in the comment section how did it go, how did you enjoy decorating your space. Thanks for watching our video. Definitely do comment, like and share, and keep your eyes peeled until the next video.